Are in Riverside, and this is the home we've done a repair and stain and finish. It's a very light stain, not very heavy at all. The last video showed what the floor was look like raw and also with holes in it. This is the first repair area where there was a former wall heater. We just had to repair the floor on both sides. The wood that was used for this section was pulled out of this closet. Reason being that the wood that was here before would look better in that location than any new flooring would do. We also put a small border all the way over here on this doorway. Those boards going across were not there before. Filled in some areas back here, and we put in two reducers in the doorways. So because of the way the floor was running alongside the tile. Overall, I think this floor looks great, pretty damn good. All right, thank you.